Hi, my name is Marian, and today I want to talk about configuration in Stride. As we all know, it's not a great practice to put your config in static fields, because you have to recompile your whole project every time you change something. It's much better to do it as a modifiable configuration in the Game Studio. So how do we do it? How do we get to something like this, where I can open my game settings asset and have my custom configuration like this? So the first thing we want to do is to create a configuration class that will hold our settings. I have created a sample hello config that inherits from the Stride data configuration class. Next, we want to open the game settings asset and add it like that. Notice here that I'm using the data contract alias that I added here. If not, you have to use the full namespace with the class name. This here creates an empty configuration, which I can then go in here and modify, type my name, say save, and now we can see it here. Okay, if it doesn't appear right away, you may need to build the project and then go to a file reload in the Game Studio. Okay, so yeah, that's it when it comes to adding your own config. But what if I now want to use it? So here I created a script that does exactly that. It will ask the services for the settings service and then pull out from the configurations my hello world config. If it's not there, because this could potentially be null at some point, then we'll just create an empty one, but it shouldn't happen generally. Okay, so then I will call a debug print in the update, and hopefully we shall see hello Marian displayed. Yeah, it works. Awesome. So that's it. Thanks for watching.